Hi, you're up to the point now where you are ready to start your final draft of your rhythm composition. To do so, I'm going to put together a little video to show you some tips and tricks to make sure your work is neat and that you can meet the requirements of the task. The rhythm composition should be done on manuscript paper. If you don't have any manuscript paper at home, see if you can get some at the shops. It doesn't cost much to get a book of manuscript paper. The first thing you need to do is set up 6 staves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the percussion clef, the 2 little dashes on the left hand side. You now need to measure out your 4 bars. Every stave needs to have 4 bars going across the page, and as you can see, I have measured across my manuscript paper, and I have gone the halfway mark, 9 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 13.5 and 4.5. The next stage for your setting up your template is using a ruler to make sure that you rule bar lines across 2 staves at a time, as you can see. They're all the same size for our 12 bar composition, 4, 4 and 4. There is a double bar line at the end. Okay. You then put in your time signatures, 3, 4, 3, 4 on the first 2 staves, 5, 4, 5, 4 on the middle, 4, 4, 4, 4 on the last 2 staves. Then you can label each stave for the part, A, B, A, B, A, B. The last thing you need to now do is start filling in your good copy. You need to be very careful now when you're writing in 3/4 time that you space the beats evenly across the bar. Beat 1, 2, 3. And that in part A and B, that beat 1 lines up, beat 2 lines up, and beat 3 lines up. As you can see, part A goes 1, 2, 3. Part B goes 1 and 3 and. You must write the numbers clearly below the notes. Of course, you've got all 4 bars written for everything because you've done your draft by now. For the 5/4 bar, you're going to have to draw the notes closer together. There has to be 5 beats in every bar. 1, 2, 3, 5 and. And again, you need to ensure that beat 1 lines up, beat 2 lines up, 3 lines up, 4 and 5. Same for the 4/4 bar. 1, 3 and 4. In part B, 1 and 2 and 3. The last thing I want to talk about in this lesson is that when you're writing part A, I want you to do it in the top space with a down stem from the left-hand side of the note head. When you're writing part B, I want you to do it in the bottom space, the first space, with an up stem from the right-hand side of the note head. This is important so the music looks correct and we can tell between the parts. Same for the 5/4, same for the 4/4. Keep all of your part A in the top space, all of your part B in the bottom space. And this is what it should look like when it's finished. Completely filled in, 3/4, 5/4, 4/4 bars, all the beats lining up, neatly, easy to read.